Yo, what's up guys? Welcome back to the channel. In today's video, let me show you how to pay bills using online banking in QuickBooks. It's going to be a quick one. We're not going to waste much time on this topic. Just going to give you guys a very quick step-by-step guide on how to get this done. So let's get into it. The first step is to open the Pay Bills window. In QuickBooks, go to Plus New and then Pay Bills. This will list all unpaid bills that you've recorded. Step 2 is to select the bills to pay. Tick the checkboxes next to the bills that you want to pay. Ensure that the amounts and due dates are all correct. Step 3 is to choose payment method. From the payment account dropdown, you're going to select your linked bank account. Choose online bank payments if your account supports it. Step 4 is to review payment details. Confirm the payment date, amount, and reference number if applicable. Next is to process the payment. So click Save and Send for vendor notifications or Save and Close. QuickBooks will initiate the online transfer to your vendor. A pro tip is to make sure that your bank feed is connected for fast reconciliation of paid bills. And that's pretty much it for the video, guys. Hope you liked it. Hope you found the information here useful enough. If you did, like, share, and subscribe for more helpful tutorials. Thank you guys for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.